said peas in the house. Yeah, shorty tryna eat in the house. Yeah, we about to cook it up. And I'm freestyling, all that good stuff. And I really don't free though. This is all for free though. You can't get this for free though. But tell me this, can you hit the like button, comment, subscribe, get the views up? I'm feeling high, I'm feeling lifted. I want 4G autos on the whip so it's glistening. Ooh, yeah, we chefing up. ChefBiz, homie. Yeah, we chef.
Hey, what's good, guys? Back at it again, ChefBiz with another banger for you guys. Stay tuned. That was the artist known as ISHH. Freestyling for y'all. We about to do another thing for you guys today. Quarantine and chill, y'all. We about to bake some chicken, make some rice. So you guys stay tuned, alright? See what we got coming up, alright? Look left, look right.
Yeah, boy!
What's good, guys? ChefBiz back at it with another banger for you guys. Quarantine and chill is what we happening, what's going on right now, guys. So I got a video for y'all. We about to make some baked chicken with some glazed barbecue on top, with some onions, carrots, and celery baked with it. You know, some rice also. So you guys stay tuned. You know, I might have a couple surprises for y'all throughout the video. Everybody quarantining and chilling right now. So you guys stay tuned, alright? And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, guys. So what we got here, we got some celery right here, we got some carrots, we got some onions, and then you know, we're gonna chop these up, and then we're gonna get it all seasoned up with the chicken, cut some of that fat off the chicken, and then pretty much get everything going, alright? So y'all stay tuned. You like onions, bro? You fuck with onions?
Always heard bad things about them, but sometimes I'll settle for them. I would say fried onions on my grilled chicken sandwich.
I make them thin.
If they good, yeah.
I make them thin. I was gonna chop them up like a good chunk, but I'm making them thin. Good season. Good aromatic.
Like when they big clumps and they don't even put them on the grill, and they just give it to you, I'm like, I don't want it.
If you don't like onions like that, it's better to like cut it up in real thin
Very
slices.
thin?
Yeah, very thin instead of. Cause I was gonna do it like in a big chunk, so like it doesn't cook too fast, but yeah, since you're not crazy about it. And we got the carrots right here. Carrots up. Don't try to be like me, y'all. Watch your fingers, man.
Got a lot of onion juice on there, huh?
Yeah, man. That's with my eyes, man. I'm gonna be crying like I just lost my puppy and shit. Alright, guys, so what we got here, got the chicken rinsed off. We got the chicken thighs rinsed off right now. Got the seasonings right there. We got some salt and pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder. Alright, we got some carrots, onions, and celery. Boom. A lot of the fat is cleaned off of that. Make sure you wash your hands. I mean, COVID-19 happening right now. Make sure you wash your shit and pop. Soap and water, baby. Alright, boom. So what we're gonna do now, everything is in here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna lightly season everything. Boom, we got the salt and pepper on there. Secret spice, we ain't gonna tell you what that is. I'm gonna have to slap you. We got that. Okay. We got some garlic powder, just a little bit. You can always add, but you can't take out. Remember that. You can always add, but you can't take out. So you put a little bit of onion powder on there too. Ooh. And then we're gonna mix all that up. We're gonna add that to that. Turn the oven on to bake. Alright. And then we're gonna bake it off when it's about ready. We're gonna add the sauce to it. We're gonna finish it off. We're gonna have the rice ready. And guess what? We're gonna smash, bitch. Swipe! Ooh, swipe! I have some jasmine rice right here. That's all I eat. Jasmine rice. So we're gonna rinse it off. Alright guys, so the rice is rinsed off right now. I did like 2 rinses on it. So now I got enough water in there. So usually I just measure the water. How I know I have enough water, I just measure it to like the first notch on my finger. Like the first mark on my finger. I put my finger to the rice. Boom, water's right there. Awesome. That's good right there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add some salt. So a little bit of butter and get that boiling, alright? So y'all stay tuned. So I'll probably add like 2 tablespoons of salt to this. Alright guys, you can see, boom, flame is on. Got like about a tablespoon of butter in there. Got the salt in there, everything's mixed up. We're gonna cover this, bring that to a boil. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. We're gonna get this chicken going, alright? So we got the seasoning on here, we're gonna mix this up. You know? Like my motto always say, you can add, but you can't take out. Sheesh. Y'all see this. I put a little bit of garlic, chopped garlic on there. As you can see, I'm gonna mix it up. Got the special seasoning on there. We're gonna mix all that up. How we looking? How are we looking, guys? You know, you guys stay safe out there. Made up, as you can see, we got a little bit of, it's okay to have some water on here. It keeps it from like sticking to the pan. You know, you can make that into a little bit of a gravy or whatnot. Then we're gonna add the veggies to it once it's cooked like 3/4 of the way. So you guys stay tuned. You see it. So when it start boiling like this, just turn it down some. You should be good. There's a good amount of liquid in there, as you can see. It's boiling. If you don't have enough water in there, all you gotta do is just add a little bit more water. So like I said, just keep an eye on it. You know, just start like boiling over, like it is right now. Just turn it down. Guys, so this is what it is, right? So once I realized that the water is cooked away from the rice some, and the rice is about like medium, halfway done, I add some veggies to it. All right, you can add as much veggies as you want. Steam that's coming from the rice, as you can see. Focus. The steam that's coming from the rice, as you can see, just put the top on there. Boom. And then that steam will cook the veggies thoroughly all the way through. So just know, every once in a while, just come by, check on the rice and see. I have it on a low heat right now, so the bottom of the rice doesn't burn. So you just come by, check on the. You can see how it looks right now. I'll show you how it looks when it's a finished product. Right? So stay tuned. Steam kind of cooking it up right now. Like I always say, keep your station clean. You know, wipe it down as you go, clean the dishes as you go. You know, keep everything nice and organized. You know? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh, you guys see it? The veggies are nice. Beautifully steamed, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You guys see what's going on. So I'm just flipping all the thighs over. Trying to get a nice sear on the other side also. You can see the juices down there. We're gonna use that to make a little sauce later. Alright guys, so I'm about to put some of this mirepoix, this carrot celery on here. I'm gonna get that roasted off some. I wanted mine to be a little bit crunchy, so I didn't put it in super early. Cover it. We got the mirepoix and then we got the carrot, celery, and onions in there. So we're gonna cover it, create that steam once again, and get everything nice and cooked off. We're gonna check back on it in probably 10-15 minutes. Alright, so y'all stay tuned. Thing up. Nice little sauce right there. Looking good. We looking good. We looking good. Just keep the top off now. Let that sauce caramelize on top. Stick to the chicken, you should be good. Give it like 5 minutes. Look at the sauce. Look at the sauce. Biz back at it. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, please. It helps me out a lot. I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Everything is finished up. I'm about to give you a nice little plate of this. You know. Okay. Put a little bit of veggies on there. A little bit of veggies on there. Quarantine and chill, guys. Quarantine and chill. Something quick you could just pull out the cupboard or the freezer and put together, you know. Yes, sir. Alright, you guys see what's going on right now. ChefBiz back at it with another banger for you guys. This is what we got going on right here. We got the rice with the veggies, mixed veggies and stuff. Then we got the baked chicken with the barbecue glaze on there. We got the carrots, celery, onions also on there, cooked up. Quarantine and chill. You guys see what it is. I hope you guys use this recipe. I hope it come in handy for you guys. Y'all stay tuned for more videos. And hope y'all enjoy. You have any comments, leave them down below. If you have any food or whatever you want me to make, just leave them down in the comment below. Make sure y'all smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. And, you know, once again, y'all stay safe out there, y'all. Peace.